It's easy to figure out which sites rate the Sticky Rice Award. They're the ones that you use every day. The second Gummy Award is not for sexy visual design or interactive tricks, but for what makes the user's life more usable. It's for practicality, usability, usefulness, and relevant content imagery. As sticky rice is a bland staple of the Asian diet, so these sites will never be featured on the menu of a gourmet restaurant. Instead, they play a supporting role for the viewer, integrating seamlessly into his life. Amazon is not only one of the most successful and oldest sites on the web, but it's also innovated some really smart strategies to make their site really sticky. In fact, it may be argued that Amazon engineered the first practical social network on the web. Amazon has been so successful that, like Microsoft, it has been accused, perhaps rightly, of monopoly practices. Let's look at how the designers at Amazon have made this site really sticky. First, a simple search can bring up a book of interest. I personally like to read the reader reviews at the very bottom, especially when I'm considering buying a business or technical book. Then you present it with other choices in the same genre. Frequently bought together, customers who also bought this book also bought the following books. This single feature has kept me for hours on the site, happily viewing additional books like a kid in a candy store. Powered by a back-end engine that supplies book ideas based upon buying statistics and trends, a designer can spec this kind of feature into a page to be implemented by programmers. A few years ago, the company had the brilliant idea of taking reader reviews a bit further and allowing readers to compile lists of their favorite books. A feature, incidentally, that LinkedIn also provides. Notice how they've made their site really sticky by allowing the user to provide more content. Another feature that Amazon has pioneered is the look inside. The idea is to replicate as much as possible the experience of brick and mortar site, where you can open a book and see whether it will appeal to you, enticing you to read and get addicted. I have found and discarded many books this way on Amazon. As an author, I've had a chance to see Amazon from both sides. One feature I love is the author's page. It allows me to bring more content to Amazon by duplicating my blog on my author's page. From a customer's point of view, this allows them to get more information on an author, building a fan base, and increasing stickiness at one blow. The important thing is that Amazon simply provides a well-designed shelf for the sticky content that others, users and authors, provide. Smart, huh? Amazon gets 3 gummies from me for usability, relevancy, interactivity, and user participation. The following site, Congress Speaks, explores the words, voting records, and tenure of legislatures in Congress, shown as animated talking animals. Developed in Flash and using public domain data, it gives the user a quick idea of the philosophies and issues concerning each politician. This site gives us an easy, novel, and interactive way to see the views and voting records of our congressmen. I give it 4 gummy bears for design, relevancy, usability, entertainment, and interactivity. Well, now that we've had a nice filling meal of sticky rice, let's go see a feature film with our dinner. and grab ourselves some jelly beans before entering the show.